someone's work, author's work in this case, and selling it at a very low price. Hey guys, what is up? I hope you all are doing great and I heartily welcome you all to Books with Sakshi. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can identify pirated books. For people who do not know what pirated copies exactly are, it is simply stealing someone's work, author's work in this case, and selling it at a very low price. Pirated copies you will find during sale time when Flipkart and Amazon, they're having sale, because that is a time when so many people actually order books. And you will not find pirated copies of every book. It is usually of books which are highly bestsellers, like The Subtle Art of Nottingham Park and books by Robin Sharma, and these kind of books have pirated copies. And also of fiction, definitely the books which are highly popular, like of Nicholas Sparks and Khaled Hosseini and Paulo Coelho, authors like them, you will find their books pirated. First of all, you should check 1,000 times if a price is so low. Like if originally the book is of 400 and you're getting it for just like 90 or 100 rupees, you should literally check so many times whether a book is pirated or not. But how to identify? See, when you're actually buying from Flipkart and Amazon, you cannot see the book, you cannot touch the book, you can just see the picture and it does not say anything about the book. What you have to do in that case is, Flipkart always has this thing, Flipkart Assured, and even I got to know about this thing recently. So if the seller of the book does not have this Flipkart Assured, do not purchase from that seller. Similarly on Amazon as well, if you scroll a little bit, you will find it sold by XYZ seller and fulfilled by Amazon. So these are the books you can definitely trust and you can purchase. But what to do if you have purchased the book and now you are thinking that it is a pirated copy? The very first thing which actually indicates that a book is pirated is overprinting. Let's say this is page number 1 and page number 2. So whatever is printed in a book on this page, you will see it on this page as well. Not exactly, but the print is going to be so dark and so deep that you'll not be able to read exactly what is written on this page. This happened with me in case of The Silent Patient, and it was really a pirated copy. This is one way of finding whether a book is pirated or not. Second thing which I got to know from people was that if a book is pirated, you're not going to find author's photo on the back of the book or somewhere in the book. So this happened with me in case of the 40 Rules of Love. So I don't know if originally the book has author's picture or not, but this book does not have any picture, and also the quality of this book is not that great. So I'm having a feeling that this book is actually a pirated copy. And also if you see this, I don't know if you can see this in camera clearly or not, but it clearly looks that it is second hand or something, of bad quality, whereas new books are not at all in this condition. So this is also one way of identifying whether a book is pirated or not. They are literally in a very bad condition. Because I'm not sure, but I heard that when a book is actually pirated, what they do is they just kind of take Xerox of the original book or something like that, and they just bind all the pages and it is done. Because when I was reading A Walk to Remember, I could really feel that someone has just pasted all the pages with some glue or Fevicol or something like that, which was like terrible. And because of that reason only, I was having a very hard time in flipping through the pages. So these are the possible ways which will really help you identify if a book is pirated or not. And you should not support piracy because authors don't get really paid for it. So you should really buy original work, or you can read Kindle edition. Also, I made this video where I've talked about it, how we can read more and more books in less budget. So if budget is a problem for you, then I highly recommend you to watch this video, because I've talked about so many ways which will help you to read so many books without spending money. Lastly, I also got to know that when a book is pirated, you really don't find the logo of the publisher. So now in this book, I can actually see the logo of Penguin, but I guess in Nicholas Sparks and Silent Patient, I could not find any publisher. I don't even know the publisher of those books. So I guess definitely they were pirated, but still this book, like, I think everything is just copied. This is also a pirated copy, and I really want to know, like, how the original book is. Also, if you have paperback of this book, The 40 Rules of Love by Alex Shafak, just let me know if you have, first of all, original copy of this book. Secondly, whether there is a picture of author in this book or not. And are the text size of this book really this small? Like literally the text size in this book is so small. And so that's it for today's video. In case you have any new tips, suggestions to identify a bad copy, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Instagram at @books with Sakshi. I'll see you in the next video.